scaling things. Scaling things is similar to relative numbers, but what we're trying to do is simply make scale models of something like these three actors in The Princess Bride. So let's look at Andre the Giant. One of the tallest people, though he's easily been beaten, was 224 centimeters tall. One of the shortest people in existence is 132 centimeters. Okay? And down to 57 centimeters here, and we have people 81 centimeters tall. So what we want to do is make what's called a scale ratio. We will take their real world height they have and divide it by the height we want to make them on the graph, and we'll get a scale ratio. And it doesn't matter which way you do these, you'll get something similar, okay? So we'll turn over and we'll see if we can put Fezzik, or we'll actually go with Robert Wadlow, 272 centimeters, and then we're going to try to graph Gul Muhammad at 57 centimeters on the next page. Graphically, I've simply put a scale model of Robert on the page. His actual height in reality was 272 centimeters. I have made him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cells high. So he fits in 16 graph cells. If we divide these two numbers, we will get our scale ratio. When I do my math longhand, I get 17 centimeters for every cell. So every single square is 17 centimeters up. So if I want to do Gul Muhammad on there, this gentleman, I can write the numbers in here, he was 57 centimeters tall. And we have 17 centimeters per cell. So 57 is what we need, and we get 17 every time we go up one square. So this is 17. 2 squares is 34. 3 squares is 17. 34. 34 plus 17 is 151. So he's like 3 squares high. Now, could we do it exactly? Sure. 57. All right, divided by 17. We're going to get 3. So we got 3 times is 34, 51, 51 with 6 remainder. Okay, so 60. So 34, so it's going to be another 3 times. So it's 3.3 going to get. Now it's your choice. Do you make Gul Muhammad that big, or do you draw him as a little stick man? Whatever artistry you have. I love seeing student art because that's the high point of my art. So this will allow you to create a scale model of the various human beings, and you can do them in order and slip yourself in there somewhere. How does this relate to astronomy? Well, obviously, the next thing is going to be, what if we made Earth this big on this graph? How big would the planet Jupiter be by comparison? And if you can do these two, then this is child's play at that point.